Do your business processes and workflows take too long, are costly, and lack transparency? With process mining, you have a clear overview. Your business processes have never been so transparent. With the quick and easy integration of Process Science, you will receive a detailed evaluation and thus a more comprehensive understanding of your processes. Process Science analyzes, visualizes, and improves your business processes. This allows you to identify weak points, eliminate bottlenecks, and make better decisions. And all this on the basis of real-time monitoring. The basis of process mining is the event log, a data source consisting of various components. This information available in your systems makes it possible to make operating processes visible, objectively, and with guaranteed data security without them leaving your company. The result? Improve your process compliance, company workflows, throughput times, the cost efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Reduce business risks through process mining. With Process Science, you can expand your vision and sustainably increase the efficiency of your company. Arrange a free and non-binding initial appointment now and request a test license.